Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehboob Khan. In previous video, we have learned how to call family members with possessive pronoun. And in this video, we are going to learn how to ask questions about family members and relationship and how to answer about it. So let's practice. Who is he? Who is he? Man huwa? Man huwa? Man means who and huwa means he. Man huwa? Who is he? He is his father. He is his father. Huwa abuhu. Huwa abuhu. He is her father. Huwa abuha. Huwa abuha. He is your father. Huwa abuka. Huwa abuka. Abuka means your father. Huwa means he. And abuka means your father. Huwa abuka. He is your father. It is for masculine gender. He is your father. Huwa abuki. Huwa abuki. He is your father. And he is my father. Huwa abi. Huwa abi. So let's repeat it. Man huwa? Huwa abuhu. Huwa abuha. Huwa abuka. Huwa abuki. Huwa abi. And who is he? Man huwa? He is his brother. Huwa akhuhu. Huwa akhuhu. Huwa means he. Akhuhu means his brother. Huwa akhuhu. He is his brother. And he is her brother. Huwa akhuha. Huwa akhuha. He is your brother. For masculine gender. Huwa akhuka. Huwa akhuka. He is your brother. Huwa akhuka. And he is your brother for feminine gender. Huwa akhuki. Huwa akhuki. And he is my brother. Huwa akhi. Huwa akhi. So let's repeat it. If someone is asking you, man huwa? So the answer is huwa akhuhu. Huwa akhuha. Huwa akhuka. Huwa akhuki. Huwa akhi. Let's come to the next. Who is he? Man huwa? Man huwa? He is her husband. He is her husband. Huwa zawjuha. Huwa zawjuha. He is your husband. He is your husband. Huwa zawjuki. Huwa zawjuki. He is my husband. Huwa zawji. Huwa zawji. Huwa zawjuha. Huwa zawjuki. Huwa zawji. And who is he? Man huwa? He is his son. Huwa ibnuhu. Huwa ibnuhu. He is her son. Huwa ibnuha. Huwa ibnuha. He is your son. Huwa ibnuka. Huwa ibnuka. He is your son. Huwa ibnuki. Huwa ibnuki. It is for feminine gender. He is my son. Huwa ibni. Huwa ibni. Let me just correct it. Huwa ibni. Huwa ibni. He is my son. Huwa ibni. Come to the next one. Who is she? Man hiya? Now the question is about feminine gender. So she means here. Here means she. Who is she? Man here. And who is he? Man huwa. Man huwa. Who is he? And man here. Who is she? So who is she? Man here. So the answer is she is his mother. Hiya ummuhu. Hiya ummuhu. She is her mother. She is her mother. Hiya ummuha. Hiya ummuha. She is your mother. Hiya ummuka. Hiya ummuka. If you are addressing any masculine gender, you have to say ummuka. Hiya ummuka. She is your mother. Hiya ummuki. If it is for feminine gender. Hiya ummuki. Hiya ummuki. She is your mother. Hiya ummuki. She is my mother. Hiya ummi. Hiya ummi. So let's repeat it. The question is man hiya, and the answer is hiya ummuhu, hiya ummuha, hiya ummuka, hiya ummuki, hiya ummi. So let's come to the next. Who is she? Man hiya. Man hiya. She is his sister. Hiya ukhtuhu. Hiya ukhtuhu. She is her sister. Hiya ukhtuha. Hiya ukhtuha. And she is your sister for masculine gender. Hiya ukhtuka. Hiya ukhtuka. She is your sister for feminine gender. Hiya ukhtuki. Hiya ukhtuki. She is my sister. Hiya ukhti. Hiya ukhti. So let's repeat it. The question is man hiya, and the answer is hiya ukhtuhu, hiya ukhtuha, hiya ukhtuka, hiya ukhtuki, hiya ukhti. Come to the next one. Who is she? Man hiya. Man hiya. She is his wife. Hiya zawjatuhu. Hiya zawjatuhu. She is his wife. And she is your wife. She is your wife. Hiya zawjatuka. Hiya zawjatuka. And she is my wife. Hiya zawjati. Hiya zawjati. So let's repeat it. Man hiya. The question is man hiya. And the answer can be hiya zawjatuhu, hiya zawjatuka, hiya zawjati. Come to the next one. Who is she? Man hiya. Man hiya. So the answer can be she is his daughter. Hiya bintuhu. Hiya bintuhu. She is her daughter. Hiya bintuha. Hiya bintuha. She is your daughter if it is for masculine gender. She is your daughter. Hiya bintuka. Hiya bintuka. She is your daughter. If you are addressing any feminine gender, any female person, so you would say she is your daughter. Hiya bintuki. Hiya bintuki. If it is for feminine gender, hiya bintuki. She is my daughter. Hiya binti. Hiya binti. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I would request you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would request you to send it to your friend circle and ask them to learn from this channel and subscribe it. Thank you.